Have you ever tried opening a website and suddenly saw this message? A client-side exception has occurred. See the browser console for more information. Don't panic. This is a very common error, and in most cases, you can fix it yourself within just a few minutes. In this video, I'll explain what causes this error and show you the 3 most effective ways to fix it on both computers and smartphones. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you'll be the first to receive our latest videos. Now, let's begin. What causes this error? A client-side exception occurs when your web browser fails to properly execute a website's JavaScript code. The most common causes include corrupted browser cache or cookies, browser bugs, or an outdated browser version. The website has been updated, but your browser is still using old files stored on your device. Now, let's look at how to fix it. Solution 1. Clear your browser cache and cookies. This is the most effective solution because corrupted cache is one of the leading causes of this error. For computer users, open your browser. Go to Settings greater than Privacy and Security greater than Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. Clear the data, close your browser, reopen it, and then visit the website again. For smartphone users, open your browser. Go to Settings greater than Privacy. Greater than Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Cached Data, then clear them. After that, restart your browser and try opening the website again. Solution 2. Use Incognito Mode or try another browser. If clearing the cache doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to determine whether your browser is causing the issue. For computer users, open an incognito or private browsing window and visit the website. If the website opens normally, the problem is likely caused by your browser's stored data or one of the extensions you've installed. If the error still appears, try using another browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. For smartphone users, open an incognito tab in your browser. If the error persists, install a different browser and try accessing the same website. If it works in another browser, the issue is most likely with the browser you were using originally. Solution 3. Update your browser. Using an outdated browser can cause compatibility issues with modern websites. For computer users, open your browser's Settings. Go to About or About Browser. If an update is available, download and install it, then restart your browser. For smartphone users, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for the browser you use, such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. If an update is available, install it and then try opening the website again. If you encounter the "A client-side exception has occurred" error, remember these 3 important solutions. 1. Clear your browser cache and cookies. 2. Use incognito mode or try another browser. 3. Update your browser to the latest version. If you've tried all 3 methods and the error still appears, there's a good chance the problem is with the website itself. In that case, you'll need to wait for the website owner or developer to fix it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future technology tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Imparadiso Media Tech.